the same time, I have received a QR code in my WhatsApp business app. So I'm scanning this QR code. Keeping the WhatsApp business app and its API seems impossible, but now you can have it in the both places, which means mobile app and the cloud API. So this enables us to use the WhatsApp business app's cloud API to the automation or any kind of integration. As of now, this feature is only available for selected few countries. So you can check the selected country list in this website. So just click the login and I need to create an account. So click sign up. So I have entered the name, email and password. I just click sign up. So currently we are in the credential page. So you can able to see the login details, the email I used to register this account and the user ID and the name. So now I just click login with Facebook. So this is navigate to that another page. Continue as Matt John. So I just click continue. So connect your app to the Eagle Eye Tech solution. I just click getting started. So here I have choose the customer business and the business name is this one. So I just click next. So I click the connect your existing WhatsApp business app and I just click next. And here I need to enter my phone number. I just click next. So I have choose that my business account name and the time zone. I just click next. So it takes time to load that QR code. The same time I have received a QR code in my WhatsApp business app. So I just click scan QR code, click this button and click the share chats. So I just click OK. So I'm scanning this QR code. So once I complete the scanning, you can able to see your account is connected with Eagle Eye Tech solution. So and you can immediately get started with 250 business initiated conversations and unlimited custom initiated conversation. So I just click finish. So embedded sign up success. So you can able to see this is my phone number, this is my business ID, this is app ID and the phone number ID, the importantly the token. So after I connected my account with this API for whats.com, you can able to see the message template is available, Webhook is available, and the premium option is available. So if you want to create any kind of template messages, you can go to the templates and here you can able to create the template messages. So now the important thing is webhooks. So if you go to the webhooks, you can see this is similar to the WhatsApp Cloud API configuration. So this is my GitHub. So exactly 3 years before I have created this repo. So webhook for WhatsApp Cloud API. So just click this one. So I have cloned this one and run this one in the local. So in the .env, I need to provide the token and the my token, right? This is the verified token and the port number. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to the API forwards and I just click the credential and I just copy the token and come back here and paste it here. The second one I need to enter the verified token. So I just give it as Apple or something. So now I need to run this one. If you run the server, we will get this log. So webhook is listening, so I got this log. So this is running in my local host. So what I'm going to do is I need to forward this local host URL into the global environment. I'm going to use the pingy is public URL for the local host, right? So they explain what they are doing in one line, right? Public URL for the local host. So port number, so 3001. So I just copy this one and paste it here and hit enter. So this is a global URL. So I just copy this one and open it. Click open. Click enter site. Hello, this is Webhook setup. So this is a request we are getting from here. So this is my Webhook URL. So I copy this one. Now paste this one and put Webhook and the verified token. So verified token is Apple. So you can give whatever the name you want. Apple is from this one and this URL we forwarded the local host 3001 into the global environment. So now I just click verify and serve. So you can see webhook success. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to send a message to this embedded phone number. So embedded sign up phone number. I just send hi. So you can able to see this is a webhook I am listening from here. So at the same time I'm getting the log as currently this number is on automation. So I will ping you later. Your message is hi. This will send a same message to my number. So hi, currently this number is automation. I will ping you later. Your message is the message body. So this is working fine, guys. So if you want to get the API access from your WhatsApp business app and the cloud API, I think API for Whats.com is the good solution, guys. So if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe and thank you so much, guys.